Today I am going to discuss about direction cosine. If alpha, beta, gamma at the angles which a vector OP makes with the positive direction of the coordinate axis OX, OY and OZ respectively, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are known as the direction cosine of OP and are generally denoted by the letters L, M, N respectively. Then L equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta and N equal to cos gamma. The alpha, beta and gamma are known as the direction angle and satisfy the condition 0 less equal to alpha, beta, gamma less equal to pi. Here the coordinate axes are OX, OY and OZ. The angle between any two coordinate axes is always 90 degree. Direction cosine of the vector OP is angle between OP and OX alpha. Angle between OP and OY is beta. Angle between OP and OZ is gamma. Therefore, cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are the direction cosine of the vector OP. Now, in the above definition, of direction cosine, the vector OP has its initial point OP has its initial point at the origin. Then we can initial point at the origin, that is O. If the initial point, if a given vector does not have initial point, at the origin, then we can draw a parallel vector. We can draw a parallel vector of the same magnitude. Having initial point at the origin. Now, if a given vector does not have initial point at the origin, then we can draw a parallel vector of the same magnitude having initial point at the origin. Here OP is the vector that's having initial point 0, O, and another vector P dash. Another vector is P dash that is parallel to the OP vector. Parallel to the OP vector. Then direction cosine of this vector OP dash will be, direction cosine of the OP vectors will be pi minus alpha. This is alpha, then this will be alpha minus theta, this angle, alpha minus theta. Angle between, with OZ axis, angle between, angle of OP dash with the OZ axis will be alpha, pi minus alpha. This is pi, this is pi. So this will be pi, this angle will be pi minus alpha minus theta. Therefore pi minus alpha plus theta. And this angle is theta. We have to minus theta equals to pi minus alpha. Then, if a vector is parallel to OP dash but does not passing through the origin, then direction cosine of that vector with same magnitude will be pi minus alpha. Now, if the vector OP makes angle alpha, beta, gamma with the coordinate axis then PO makes pi minus alpha, pi minus beta and pi minus gamma with coordinate axis. OX, OY and OZ. Therefore, direction cosine of PO vector is pi minus cos pi minus alpha, cos pi minus beta, cos pi minus gamma. Or minus L minus M minus S, because cos pi minus alpha equal to minus cos alpha. Therefore, cos pi minus alpha equal to minus L minus M minus L. Now O P X Y Z. This is alpha. This is pi. Then direction cosine of PO is, this is pi minus alpha. Now as the x-axis makes angle zero pi by 2 with OX, OY and OZ. Therefore, direction cosine of x-axis are cos 0, cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2. The value of cos 0 is 1, cos pi 2 is 0, cos pi 2 is 0. Therefore, direction cosine of x-axis are 1, 0, 0. As x-axis makes angle with itself 0, and the angle between OX and Y is pi by 2, angle between Y and OZ is pi by 2. Similarly, direction cosine of OY is 0, 1, 0, and direction cosine of OZ is 0, 0, 1. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and if possible then like.